So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to have double line spacing here in Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and just type in the word double space like that, if I were to copy this a few times, as you can tell, the spacing is pretty close, but not quite. I believe it's at 1.5 right now. If you want to make sure that your thing's double spaced, highlight the entire text right here. Go to this top bar to where it says line and paragraph spacing. Make sure that double is selected so that it appears this way. And if you were to go ahead and keep typing, it'll look like this. If that's not appearing for you guys or it's not working, go to the top left, press format, then press on line and paragraph spacing, make sure the double is selected, or even go to custom spacing right here. Make sure that it's 2, then press apply, and then proceed that way. So pretty simple and pretty straightforward. That's how to have double line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.